All right, so you guys are continuing to work on this. I do apologize for stepping out. One of my kids is got a cough that is a little concerning, so I'm running her to the pediatrician just to have them check it out and let us know what their thought is, what their opinion is on if it's worse than it seems, or if she just needs some rest. At any rate, that's where I'm at. I was here this morning and I dipped out. I should be back tomorrow because obviously we're going on the field trip. You guys are going to be continuing on this Unit 12 reconstruction era, building your own slides. So you're working with your teams, as you know, on building those slides. You can see the team roles are going to be in the regular Unit 12 slide deck, and they're going to be coming up on slide 30 in that slide deck. I don't know why it's not working on my screen right now, but it is going to be slide 30. Um, So that is going to be right here. There it goes. Captain, scribe, timekeeper, and student driver. If you're short on someone or you got a group of two, whatever, you guys have been doing a good job making it work. The other thing I want to draw your attention to, most of you have already made a copy of this, but if you misplaced it, or perhaps your team shared it with you, but you can't find it, go ahead and go into your Google Drive, and it's going to be one of two things. So when you go into Drive, you can use the waffle to get there. One of two things are going to make it easy to find. If you're straight up on this My Drive screen, there's a good chance it's going to be in the recent events up here anyhow. If it's not, you can go to shared because it should have been shared with you by your group and it'll be listed in your shared items. Otherwise, in the search, it's going to be hashtag me12 because everybody should start with that same um, base that they're copying from. Like we can see Michelle's right here. And so then that should pull it right up for you easily that way. That is what you're going to be working on for today. Just continuing these Unit 12 slides. This is going to count for a test grade for your civics and history standards that we've been looking at throughout quarter four. And then there's going to be a presentation element. We'll talk more about that in the coming days. The presentation element would fall under your inquiry standards, as well as the research that you're doing putting this together falls under your inquiry standards. This is a big opportunity if you're not happy with where your grades are at to improve things and get a little happier with where things are at. If there are questions, please go ahead and send me an email or ask your teachers that are in the room. I'm sure they would be happy to help you out. Please continue to take care of yourself and one another. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we love you. I will see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be field trip day. Just a reminder of that tomorrow's going to be field trip day. It's no phones. Please don't bring any bags. If you want to bring a lunch, they have a cart that you'll put your lunch in when you get there. But just kind of to touch base on those things. You really shouldn't need to bring anything, but you're just going to be reporting straight to your core class tomorrow morning. And then from there, board the bus is about 8:45. You're going to enjoy the museum experience, eat lunch with your friends, and we'll get back about 1:30, and you'll attend sixth and seventh period. So really, you don't need to bring anything, and you're discouraged from bringing anything. If there's any questions on that, please go ahead and send me an email. Thanks so much, everyone, and once again, we love you.